back to Kids, Crafts, and Family Fun. Today we have a special guest and Grammie.
Yay!
Hi, Grammie.
We're making cheeseburger cookies today. This is what we need to make them. We need vanilla wafers. We need some vanilla icing. We need sesame seeds.
Grasshopper cookies. And
Mixed fudge.
food coloring.
Food coloring. Where's the other one? And 3 bowls and 3 spoons. And we need a green and yellow food coloring.
What's the green one for?
It's for the lettuce and the yellow is for the cheese.
Mmm, yummy.
Now let's get started. Grammie, what do we do first?
Well, the very first thing is we're just going to open up our vanilla icing.
Can I have a little taste?
Well, you know what? The best thing about cooking is you always get to taste it. And fingers are the best. Go ahead, they're clean. Are they clean?
Mine don't have any.
Okay, so what we do next is we just take icing and we're going to put it in each one of the bowls. Just a little bit of icing. We don't need a lot.
Can we do some Grammie?
Yeah. Okay, here you go. A bowl for you and a bowl for you, Hannah. And I want to put a little bit more in there.
Me.
Just a little bit of icing. And so in my bowl, I think I'm going to put the yellow food coloring, and that's going to make it look like cheese.
I want to pick green.
Is there anybody in here that likes cheese?
I like cheese. Do you like cheese, Jackson?
I love cheese.
Jackson likes cheese too.
I think there are
And we're just
cheese
going to put a few drops of the yellow food coloring in there.
Mix.
And then we're going to stir it up. And Jackson is helping Grammie. Let's stir it up real good. Make it look like cheese.
Can I do it? I can't unscrew this.
Here we go. And this looks like cheese. Okay? We'll put this off to the side, and then we'll make some that looks like, we'll put green in, and this will be looking like lettuce. There you go.
And I don't get a food coloring.
You know what? Maybe we'll try red with yours and make it a little ketchup. How about that? Go ahead and stir yours up, Hailey.
Ooh, that's looking good.
Good job. Okay, I think we're ready to move on to the next phase of our cookie making. Put the lids back on.
Does that
these
taste like ketchup? What does it taste like?
Tastes like frosting.
Maybe you should save some of it for the actual cookies.
There's smell
Okay.
and the taste.
So what we're gonna do is, you know how the vanilla wafers, they're flat on one side, and then the other side they're kind of rounded. So the bottom of the cheeseburger is gonna be flat, so it will sit down easy on the table or the plate. But the top part is gonna look like the bun, and it needs to be the rounded side up, okay? So it's really, really simple. This is what we do. We're gonna take a little bit of lettuce, and we're gonna put it on the bottom of our cookie.
Can you also put it on the top?
I'll show you. And then we're gonna take our cheeseburger, and we're going to just squish it.
Ooh.
So now it's starting to look more like a cheeseburger, right? So now I'm gonna take a little bit of the cheese, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on there. And then we're just gonna put the top. Remember, we're gonna put the rounded side on the top of the cheeseburger. We'll do ketchup on the next one. Because we really can only do like 2 colors at a time.
Can we taste that?
So now, this looks like cheese oozing out of the cheeseburger, okay? So we're gonna put this on the platter and we're gonna do something special to these at the very end, okay? Now we've got our platter full of beautiful, delicious cheeseburgers. And we even have a double-decker one here that Hailey made.
By me. And this is mine.
Oh, that looks like it's got
like
extra.
a rainbow,
Where's my
a
rainbow?
rainbow cheeseburger.
That's mine.
Okay, so what we're gonna do next to make it really look like cheeseburgers is we're gonna just dip our finger in the water a little bit, and we're gonna dampen just the top of the cookie just a little bit. Don't make it like super wet. And then we're gonna sprinkle a few sesame seeds on top of it. And the water kind of acts like glue. And that's good. And the sesame seeds will stick onto the little burger. We just want a few of them on there, not a lot, because they're kind of bitter when you taste them by themselves. So it's good.
Oh, these are really looking like cheeseburgers now. Hannah, I think you should do one at a time so that the water doesn't dry.
That's good. Don't put too many. You only need a few of them on there. Good.
So, sorry, family. I was trying to get some little cheese.
That's good. It's fine. However you want to do it is fine.
We finished making our cheeseburgers. This is how it looks.
And now we're gonna taste them.
Let me know how they taste.
By the way, I always do it.
Mine's delicious.
What do you think? What do you think,
Here's
Jackson?
mine. Here's mine.
What do you think, Jackson?
Here's mine.
Is that good cheeseburger? Jackson likes it too.
Oh, you got a special one? Let me see you.
This is mine.
Let me see it. Is it a rainbow one? All right, let me see you take a bite.
Mmm.
Delicious. Do you think that everybody should make these? They're cute.
They're good.
They're a cute little treat.
We hope you like our video.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And give us a big thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye.